Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how to use the shade for your panoramic sunroof on a 2016 Range Rover Sport Supercharged V8. So, in order to access this function, you must go next to the rear view mirror, and it will have a button right here on the right side that controls the shade of your panoramic sunroof. So, in order to close it, you must press the down button to bring the shade up to the driver's side. And to open it, you just press the up button. And the cool part about it is that you could just leave it in the middle. So if the rear passengers want shade and if you want open space, you could just leave it on halfway, give you that compromise. And if you just want to close it all the way, you could do that as well, just pressing the down button. And yeah, and there you go. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.